Imagine wandering through a moonlit forest and encountering the jellyfox, a breathtaking hybrid of fox and jellyfish. Its slender, agile body is covered in translucent fur that ripples with gentle, bioluminescent hues. Soft blues, greens, and pinks shimmer with each movement. Delicate jellyfish-like tendrils trail from its tail and ears, glowing softly to illuminate the undergrowth. The jellyfox's eyes are deep and luminous, reflecting the forest's secrets. Its radiant fur not only dazzles, but also helps it communicate, attracting mates and warning rivals in a dazzling display of living light.